Welcome back to the Daily Oracle of Wealth family. Today is Monday, May 18th, 2026, and the energetic tides of the entire market are completely shifting gears. Today we experience a rare double planetary ingress. Mars enters Taurus, anchoring your raw financial drive into concrete security, while Venus enters Cancer, shifting our desires toward long-term wealth protection. Bitcoin is showing early signs of an institutional recovery, preparing for a highly targeted macro breakout. The period of chaotic guessing is officially over. Today, we build the Unshakable Vault. Let's decode exactly how this powerhouse alignment commands your bank account. Aries, prepare for a massive structural change. Today, your ruling planet Mars officially marches into Taurus, completely locking its sights onto your second house of earned income, personal property, and self-worth for the next 6 weeks. The universe is telling you to put the brakes on rapid, impulsive risks and start building an independent financial baseline. This energy is not about chasing a quick trading flip. It is about creating an asset base that guarantees your long-term autonomy. Invest deeply in your own infrastructure. A major new source of revenue is aligning, but it requires disciplined, steady patience to fully capitalize. Trust the slower pace. Stand firm. Taurus, you are occupying the absolute epicenter of the cosmic spotlight today. With Mars entering your sign for a 6-week stay, a surge of raw physical vigor, confidence, and determination is flooding your career sector. If recognition or payouts have been delayed, the universe is preparing to deliver your due compensation. This is the ultimate moment to deploy practical leadership and clear strategic thinking. However, keep an eye on rapidly escalating daily costs. Cut out the bleeding subscriptions or unnecessary overspending before it impacts your growth. You are the architect of your destiny right now. Lead with calm, calculated authority, and watch the wealth aggregate. Gemini, your financial position is on the verge of a magnificent, highly unexpected upgrade. Venus is entering your sector of material resources today, opening doors to profits from entirely unconventional or surprising sources. Short-term market investments made with absolute precision are heavily favored as the week unfolds. Concurrently, professional networking and high-level collaborations are acting as your primary wealth accelerators today. Do not hold back your brilliant ideas. Share your vision clearly with high-value individuals who possess the capital to back you. Your charm is working miracles in the boardroom right now. Capitalize on this momentum, stay organized, and claim your rewards. Cancer, your long-term social goals and professional networks are turning into pure financial infrastructure today. As Venus glides into your sign, your visibility peaks, making teamwork and collaborative projects highly lucrative. You are moving completely away from solo struggles and stepping into shared economic power. However, with your social calendar expanding, make sure your daily boundaries remain firm. Do not exhaust your valuable energy trying to satisfy every client simultaneously. Gradual, unshakable stability is developing through your steady, disciplined professional output. Connect with emotionally mature mentors, align your financial strategy with your inner truth, and let your network expand your net worth securely. Leo, the universe is offering a significant power upgrade at the very peak of your chart today. Mars is entering your 10th house of public status, career legacies, and authority, casting a massive spotlight on your professional ambitions. High-profile presentations, contract negotiations, or major executive choices are heavily favored under this placement. Your commanding presence naturally commands respect, but guard carefully against unnecessary ego clashes with corporate partners or authority figures. Balance this massive career momentum by securing your inner peace at home. When you lead your business with absolute integrity, the material abundance follows naturally. Step cleanly into your royalty. Virgo, it is time to expand your financial horizon far past your current baseline. Mars enters your 9th house of global markets, higher education, and legal affairs today, pushing you to think on a macro scale. If legal issues or international contracts have been stalled, expect them to resolve rapidly with highly favorable conditions. Your analytical prowess is unmatched right now, helping you see profitable micro trends that others completely miss. Do not get bogged down in standard daily anxieties. Keep your focus locked entirely on the distant horizon. Upgrading your technical skills or launching a global digital asset will yield massive compounding returns. Trust the expansion. Libra, Tactical awareness and extreme financial discretion are your ultimate shield today. The planetary alignments are moving into your 8th house of shared resources, deep investments, and corporate partnerships. Flashes of market volatility mean you must be incredibly cautious with immediate transactions. Avoid emotional spending or hasty joint ventures at all costs. Instead, utilize your natural diplomacy to negotiate better terms on outstanding liabilities or contracts. Deeper emotional clarity is helping you see the truth behind business relationships. Reorganize your portfolio behind closed doors, maintain absolute focus under pressure, and prepare for a massive surge of renewed financial inspiration tonight. Scorpio, your wealth is expanding through strategic alliances and elite partnerships today. Mars is moving directly into your opposite sign of Taurus, triggering a massive wave of healing conversations and high-value corporate collaborations. Career success depends completely on your willingness to trust collective efforts. Stop trying to carry the financial burden alone. Lean heavily into emotional transparency and clear contractual boundaries to solidify your professional bonds. A significant financial opportunity linked to joint ventures or shared digital infrastructure is materializing rapidly. Choose your allies with absolute precision, communicate with total clarity, and build your shared financial empire side by side. Sagittarius, consistency, and daily operational discipline are your golden tickets to abundance right now. Mars enters your 6th house of daily routines, health, and labor systems today, demanding that you optimize your business infrastructure. While professional responsibilities might feel momentarily overwhelming, your steady execution will yield incredible long-term rewards. Avoid short-term speculative risks today and focus completely on perfecting your current cash flow streams. Small methodical updates to your budget or work systems will snowball into massive financial security by next month. Stay organized, protect your physical vitality, and remember that massive empires are built one disciplined brick at a time. Capricorn, a highly profitable ray of creative genius is touching your portfolio today. Mars is entering your 5th house of calculated risks, personal branding, and creative speculation, giving you the ultimate green light to monetize your unique ideas. Your natural discipline blended with this fresh, innovative energy is completely unbeatable. Exceptional professional visibility is coming your way, so do not hesitate to showcase your latest projects or pitches. Organize your financial path with structured planning to guarantee long-term stability. Trust the unique visions you are receiving today. They possess serious, tangible market value. Innovate with confidence and let your prosperity flow naturally. Aquarius, your internal security and home environment are becoming your primary financial drivers today. As Mars and Venus trigger your domestic sector, unexpected home-related expenses or upgrades might demand your focus. Use this energy to ruthlessly audit your living costs, prioritize investments that create long-term stability, and postpone temporary, superficial luxuries. Your career output is growing steadily through quiet, calculated, strategic thinking behind the scenes. Focus deeply on protecting your mental peace and creating a secure, unshakable home sanctuary. When your private foundation is completely organized and stable, your external wealth and innovation will naturally multiply. Secure the fort. Pisces, clear and specific communication is your ultimate wealth generator today. The transits are heavily activating your 3rd house of negotiations, marketing, and contract agreements. Your words carry immense strategic weight, making it the perfect day to finalize pricing updates, pitch new clients, or clear up costly ambiguities in business discussions. Sudden financial gains from unexpected digital channels or local networks are highly indicated. Avoid making any impulsive financial decisions out of pure emotion. Stay entirely focused on factual, direct data. Speak your terms with unshakable confidence, protect your private peace, and watch your economic support materialize rapidly. The Oracle has spoken. With Mars and Venus rewriting the rules of the market today, the time for passive waiting is officially over. We are building foundations that stand for decades. If you are ready to claim this unshakable Taurus and Cancer abundance, slam that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and drop the word VOLT in the comments below to lock in your frequency. Protect your peace, and I will see you tomorrow.